Maplebear, also known as Instacart, has IPO'd yesterday under the ticker CART, so C-A-R-T. It's down 5% today. Now, what are we looking at key level wise, and what are we looking at, and how are we looking to trade it? So we are down nearly 5% today. Really, since its IPO, it did open much above the $30 or $31 that it was meant to come out at. Obviously gapped up, and then kind of that whole day you just sold off, and today obviously we got this gap down, we're continuing this sell-off. So what are we really paying attention to? So with this kind of stock, again, we don't really have any significant levels, so it's probably going to be paying more attention to the psychological level. So you're going to have $30, $25, or the $27.50. Obviously, just the key psychological levels on both the support and resistance. The resistances will be easier to play. So again, if you're long, then these could be used as targets. Don't think we can currently get shares to borrow. It's hard to borrow, so you may be able to. But if so, that's when the anchored VWAPs can come in handy. So again, this is a 2-day anchored VWAP, so basically just since it's IPO'd, it's anchored to there. So if we come into here, again, can be target on longs, or can also be a short bias area if you're looking to kind of sell and try and get into this trend. Now, how are we really looking to trade this? And what I would be waiting for is to the options to launch. So again, we had the same trade opportunity on ARM, which was that big IPO that happened last week. And as soon as these options comes out, the way I'll be looking to do it is the straddle. So again, this is exactly how we traded ARM. I got out of it today. We bought them around $480 a contract. We sold out today for $550. And all it is buying both the call and the put. So for example, again, we're going to have to show you this on ARM because on Instacart, you can't currently do it. But again, the options should launch end of this week, early next week. So all you would do is go over to the calls. So again, let's say we were sitting at $30, you would do probably 35 and then 25, or 31 and 29. And again, you would buy the put that's below current value. So right now we're sitting at 52, so we could buy the $50 put. That will cost us around $225. And then you also want to buy a call as well above the strike. Again, we're at 52.60, so we don't want to do the 52.50, we want to go to the 55. So again, then we're looking to buy that call as well. So in this case, that's going to cost us another $255. So it's going to cost us just under $500 to buy both the call and the put. And what this will do, and again, if we add both of these on, we can go into analyze modes and show you. So what this will do is mean as long as price moves from where it currently is, you'll essentially make money. And again, the expirations will probably be quite far dated. You can see on ARM, they're about 30 days out. You'll probably see the same thing on Instacart. It's unlikely that they start doing weeklies right away. But again, this is exactly what we did on ARM because we know more like than not, it's going to be volatile its first week or two. It's going to see the same thing with Instacart. So again, if you're kind of getting an average around here, as long as it moves out to the sides, you can make money. And again, that's exactly what we saw with ARM. We bought in when it was kind of just, I think it was on this day here when the options launched. So again, if it went up massively or down massively, we'll be printing money. And again, that's exactly why we did it, because we knew very rare that it would just kind of stay where it was. So it's exactly how we looked to trade ARM and did trade it. And just kind of pointing this out because it's exactly how we'll look to trade Instacart. Looking to play the straddle, so you buy both a call and a put. And again, as long as it goes one direction or the other, you should be making money. So again, that's how we're looking to trade CART, because as of right now, going to be hard to trade kind of the technicals and stuff, because again, it's just a brand new stock. So really, it's just the anchored VWAPs that I would be paying attention to. But again, it's just, can we get the shares available, which would be the question. So to me, I'm waiting for the options, but that's the trade plan I have for Instacart.